Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the AstroAI brand, their cordless tire inflator air compressor with an included 20-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a special adapter you can see right there that has your cigarette lighter on there so that you can plug that into it if you have a discharged battery. This has a 2-year warranty and it gets amazing high Amazon customer ratings. This will go up to 150 PSI, and you can see the unit stands nicely by itself, and it has a nice manual. It has some additional adapters for filling up other things, and a nice long USB-A to USB-C cable. And to charge is really simple. There is a port right there and an indicator, and it'll be red and it'll go to green when it's fully charged. Has a little holder for the spigot on here, which is one of the locking types. The profile of this is really nice. So you hit this button right here and the battery comes out quite easily, just like that. It's got a nice grip to it, and the switch does stay locked in place so that you could walk away while it's inflating. And on the front they did a really nice job because there is LEDs on there. So let's turn the unit on right here. Hold this down for a couple seconds. And the presets are on the left here. You could go small for basketballs and football, things like that. You can manually change the settings, or you can go to, there is bicycle, there's car 36, and now it's set to 36. You hit this button right here and you get the cool front LEDs on there that did a nice job. It's really bright, and that means you could totally inflate your tire at night, which is really cool. So to do this, you just hit the switch right here and it comes on, and it should auto shut off based on the setting that you had on there. When you're done, you just hold this power switch down like that and it'll turn off quite easily. So it's very simple to charge it. I took the included cable, went to a 2 amp 120 volt to DC 5 volt, and I plugged the USB-C right in, and there was the red LED right there, and that's going to go to green when it's fully charged. So here I'm going to try it on my tire of my car, and you see it's displaying 31 PSI. So we're going to put it to 36 PSI. And there you can see it shut off at 36 PSI. So after testing, what do I think about the AstroAI brand, their cordless tire inflator air compressor? This is an excellent product. As I demonstrated, it works really well. I love the form factor of this. It's not heavy. The front headlights on there. The ability to bypass the battery and go with the cigarette lighter adapter. Very nice. They did a great job on this. It looks good and it was very functional. It's going to help you if you ever need to fill up your tires. This is the kind of thing you want to keep in your car at all times, ready and charged, ready for an emergency. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.